that whole process was just so smooth and made us feel like we were getting the top quality.
My name is Dustin and this is my wife Samantha, and we live in Stone Ridge Farms.
I think for me the most memorable part of our home buying journey was just the walkthroughs, the pre and then even after buying the home, all the walkthroughs.
Tabor was really helpful in just the whole transition of, you know, hey, we're about to buy this house and there's a walkthrough before that, and you can identify things that need fixed, and then there's another one before you close on it to make sure that all those things got fixed. And it was just a really pleasant experience. We selected Stone Ridge Farms mostly because of the school district. We loved having the elementary school there pretty much in the neighborhood, so we can see the elementary school from our house, and we're excited to have days where we can, you know, ride bikes with our kids to school, and I think that's the main reason we picked the neighborhood.
I would tell people there's nothing that I would change about our experience.
Absolutely, we would recommend Homes by Tabor.